Hello and welcome to this video from the Port Moody Public Library. In this video we'll be covering how to sign in and use your library card as part of Mango Languages, and this specifically will cover using the Mango Languages app for smartphones and tablets. You can download the Mango Languages app either from the App Store for Apple devices or the Google Play Store for Android devices. So when using the app, you can either create an account if you have not already, or you can log in using an already created account. We've covered how to create an account as well as logging in with an account in previous videos that you can check out those if you are unsure of how to do either of those things. But to get started, I'm just going to hit the login option at the bottom of our screen here. It's going to ask us to enter our information. Just going to take a moment to enter that in. Ask us to confirm all of our details. And now it will take us to wherever we last were if we have used the desktop site before. So for example, here it has me in chapter 3, food and drink culture, for a language that I was previously learning on the desktop site. So one of the advantages of the app is that it will transfer over and sync any progress from the desktop, and likewise any progress in the app will also be synced with the desktop site. So you don't have to worry about keeping track of your progress on one and then on the other being somewhere else. It will always keep track of this for you. So if you're on the go or need to use your smartphone or tablet for anything, you can always use this as a second option to the desktop site. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you again soon. Bye.